Imagine you're presenting in a meeting. The meeting starts, you're on Teams. What is the first thing that you say? If you watch my other videos, you know I talk about starting your presentation with a bang, starting really well, making a great impression. So what should you not say at the beginning if you want to make a good impression? Well, it's a phrase that I hear all the time, and it is, "Can you hear me?" or "Do you hear me?" Don't start with this. Why not? Because everybody says it. It's not a great way to start anything. And in fact, you should know that people can hear you. And if they can't, there's usually a problem on their end. And they will write it in the chat. Also, just make sure you're not on mute before you start speaking. That's always a good thing to check. So please, do not start with, "Can you hear me?" Just start. Make a good impression.